Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set a password in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a desktop Bitcoin wallet designed for the security and privacy. It is non-custodial, meaning you control your private keys and funds. It supports features like multi-signature wallet, hardware wallet integration, PSPD transactions, and detailed coin control. Unlike traditional apps, Sparrow Wallet does not have a separate password setup like the web wallets or the mobile apps. Instead, it protects your wallet using encryption and a lock-unlock mechanism. First, what you can do is you can open to your Sparrow Wallet. After you get into this interface of a Sparrow Wallet, essentially Sparrow does not set a password separately. It uses encryption with a passphrase, lock or unlock. In order to access that, on the top we can find this view here. Select to this view and go to this lock wallet, and that is it. In order to unlock, select to this unlock. You can lock the wallet when not in use, either manually or with auto lock timeout to prevent the unauthorized access. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.